Today I will be showing you how to create a watermark in mobile. Okay, so let's start. First of all, go download Canva. Okay, so just when you get Canva, just search for it, and then you will find it. And then just go to search your content or canvas. Then look at this one, Instagram post square 10 by 10, 1080 by 1080. Click that, and then go down, scroll down, and then create a blank. This is the same as we did in the computer, but this is part 2, but from another device. Let's click on this color. Okay. Then just go to the plus icon and then search for elements, and search for YouTube. Okay, then click on this button, and now in the colors, the red one white, and the white one and like this. Okay, change all. Red. Okay. Now this one should be red. Change all. This one should be. So this one is red. Okay. This one should be red like this. And now just click on the button. Now just add text. Hadag. Atasan niya sa hadag. Okay, let's make it 1 sec. So guys, just click on the plus icon, and then where the design elements, then there's a text. Just click on text, okay, and then here search for text. Any kind of heavy text will work. Just like subscribe, and then I've just drag it down and make it bigger. Okay. Okay, so then just make it bigger. Okay. Bigger. 1 second. If you can make it bigger, you can. Okay. Okay, when you wrote subscribe, just look for any kind of fonts. Look for any kind of fonts, okay? But just make sure it's heavy. you know, the text is heavy. So let's just add the text again. Add the text box.
Shift lock.
Subscribe. I like to do it in a capital letter, so you can do in any letter, small or big. Okay, finally. When you do this, make sure it's a little bit smaller because it's like this. So let me tell you why you have to make it heavy. So if you make it heavy, it will be more like the people can see it more. You know, if you know what I mean. If you just put it now like this, it will be heavier, and then the people can see it. What the text is in the watermark. So subscribe, and then make this white color, white and blue white. That's all gonna be for today's video, guys. And wait, let me just show you how you can insert it in YouTube. Okay, so after you download this, after you download this design, you should give it a name, okay, and then just not here, just save it to gallery, so we can see. Okay, when you got your design, you don't have to do anything, you just name it, okay? You don't need to download it, just the thing that it got me is just a share, okay? From that you can just share. So just name it. So to insert it in YouTube, it's saved, right? So since the design is saved, we wanna go to Chrome. So when you go to Chrome here, search for studio youtube.com, studio youtube.com. Then open it in the desktop version, and then just go to customizations, and then go to branding. Now since I have my own watermark, I will just show you for the video. I will change it, and then choose the watermark. And when I chose the watermark, then it will be visible here. So in any video I make, it will be visible there. So yeah, thank you. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and like. Peace.